Hi everyone, Kevin Kolman, Head Grill Master here, and I am so excited. We have partnered with Lou Malnati's The Deep Dish Pizza of Chicago, my absolute favorite. There is nothing that I cook better in the backyard than a Lou Malnati's pizza. It's so simple, but all my guests love it. And so what we really enjoy is now more people are getting outside, right? And so one cool thing that we can do is we can take that same great Chicago style pizza and put it on our grill. And you can see here we've got 3 different types. We've got cheese, we've got pepperoni, and we've got sausage. And what I love about Lou Malnati's is, you know, you get a great Weber grill, high quality raw materials, right? We make our grills out of the best stuff. These pizzas are made out of the best stuff. We've got this beautiful buttery crust that they put down first. Then we've got Wisconsin cheese, and anybody in the Midwest knows the best cheese is coming from Wisconsin. So that's put down in sheets. Then if you get the sausage, you're gonna have the unique blend, which is the most ordered pizza at Lou Malnati's, which is the sausage is gonna go down. Then we've got these beautiful plum California tomatoes that go on top to create that amazing sauce, right? If the pepperoni, if you order that, that's gonna be on top. And then we have cheese. And so you've got 3 types that you can order. You can also go to tasteofchicago.com if you're looking for other options. Simple and easy, these ship all over the US. That's probably the hardest thing you're gonna do because grilling them is so easy. All we're gonna do is set up our grills, indirect heat. So if you have a charcoal grill, about, let's say 3/4 of a chimney full, we're gonna light that, we're gonna pour that in a circle, and we're gonna put our pizza directly in the center after about 10 to 15 minutes on a preheat. You're looking at 375 to 400. If you got a gas grill like you see here, 375 to 400. We've got indirect heat, so we've got our outside burners on high. The inside burners are completely off. We're creating that same type of oven convection heat that you would inside. And all we're gonna do is just put our pizzas on. And so what we found is the cheese pizza is gonna cook for about 40 to 45 minutes. The doneness temperature of this is gonna be about 165 degrees. And the reason why you want 165 is because you want that cheese gooey. We all know in Chicago, you eat Lou Malnati's with a fork and a knife because of that beautiful cheese melting all over the place. And so 165 is key. The sausage and pepperoni pizza now, that's gonna take about 50 to 55 minutes. And again, you're looking for that 165 degree doneness because you want that cheese gooey, you want that browning across the top, you want the perfect pizza. And so 165 degrees is what's gonna get it to you. So we've done enough talking, right? We've got all our pizzas ready. So now we're gonna put them on our grill, set our timers, and we're gonna get these things cooking. All right, we've got our pizzas on. Now, if you're in the Chicagoland area, Milwaukee, Arizona, you can get par-baked pizzas, right? So I have the app on my phone. I go into it, I can get half-baked, the par-baked, and so they're not sliced. They're cooked for about 10 to 15 minutes, and so you finish them on your grill. So when you have pizza night at home, the really cool thing is I can order them around 12, 1 o'clock, pick them up, bring them home, put them in the fridge, and then I can put them on my grill, finish it up again, 375 to 400 for about 20 to 25 minutes, and we've got perfectly cooked pizza, and you can eat anytime you want to. So that's a really cool thing that we do here. The Lou Special is our favorite. The plum cherry tomatoes, the 4 different cheeses, the sauteed spinach and garlic, that is our absolute favorite with the buttery crust. We absolutely love that, but again, half-baked, you can put it on your grill, enjoy pizza night, make it really nice and easy. So we've got a timer set. We've got about another 20 to 30 minutes before these come off, and then we're gonna have the cheese pull, the beautiful cheese melted, and we're gonna have a great time eating them. So just hang out, stay around, and these pizzas will be done soon. All right, so we're about that 40 to 45 minutes on the cheese. We're gonna check the internal temp. And we're sitting at that perfect 165 degrees, so we're gonna take this one off. We're gonna let the 2 in the back continue to cook for about another 5 to 10 minutes. Check those temperatures. That way we can all have the same pizzas coming off and eating at the same time. So just hang out, enjoy life, and get ready to eat some pizza. All right, we're gonna check the last 2 pizzas. And again, 165, about 50 to 55 minutes. Oh, we got a little bit of cheese on there. We know it's melting perfectly. We've got our pepperoni, and I think today I'm gonna try our sausage. And anytime you cook anything on the grill, you wanna make sure that you let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes after it comes off. Let some of the moisture run back in. And during that time, we're gonna let these chill out a little bit. And you can order these pizzas at tasteofchicago.com. They have sausage, pepperoni, cheese. They've got some other on the website. If you're in Chicago, Milwaukee, Arizona, you can always do the par-baked. Lou Malnati's the absolute best deep dish pizza you're gonna find. here in Chicago, locally, the best ingredients you're gonna find for your pizzas. Our favorite here in the backyard. I'm almost getting sick of hearing myself talk about this pizza. I wanna eat some, so we're gonna take it out of the tin. Now, most of you might have a pizza cutter, but since I'm a grill master, I've got my cleaver. So we're gonna go in. Perfect. And you can see crust, nice and thick. The cheese is starting to be gooey. The only thing I got left to do is eat. So make sure you're celebrating your pizzas during the week, having your pizza parties with Lou Malnati's Deep Dish Pizza. Again, tasteofchicago.com, you can order these, par bake them, the absolute best deep dish pizza you're gonna find. And I mean, I'm in heaven right now.